Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn to inhale and exhale. So today we're going to try a very simple mindfulness exercise with an important skill. When life around us feels overwhelming or chaotic, it can help to take a moment and mindfully control and focus on our breathing. To prepare, let's sit comfortably, close our eyes, and inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Take one more deep cleansing breath in and slowly release. As you sit comfortably in your space, close your eyes and push away all other thoughts. Allow the thoughts to float away, leaving space in your mind for our activity today. Today we will simply focus on our breathing. As you notice thoughts about other things entering your mind, gently push them away and return your focus to your breathing. Now, let's inhale, taking a deep breath and count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale slowly, counting to 7. 6, 7. Feel your breath roll out of your mouth and nose. Inhale for 5 seconds. In your mind, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, you're going to inhale, count to 7, and exhale. Feel your chest expand as you breathe in and gently fall as you breathe out. Feel your mind embrace the calm around you. Inhale, life. Exhale, calm. Inhale, life. Exhale, calm. As you slowly open your eyes, pay attention to the sensations in your body. Pay attention to your mind and notice how you are feeling inside and out.